What is the Commerce Clause meant to do?
It's meant to regulate interstate commerce. That means commerce between the states. And over the centuries, actually, it started to change so that Congress could regulate intrastate commerce that had an impact on interstate commerce. It's a little muddled. But the moral of the story is the Congress has power to regulate almost anything under the Commerce Clause, but there are some limits. And while there's been expansive congressional power under the Commerce Clause, Congress has never had the power to simply regulate something, to force you to do something. You know, even in the extreme cases, like the famous case that's brought up is a situation with a wheat farmer who's growing wheat for his own purposes and not putting wheat into the stream of commerce. But Congress had the power to regulate the wheat farmer because if he had actually bought the wheat, he would have actually affected commerce. And because he's growing his own wheat, he's not buying wheat, therefore it affects commerce. So that's pretty extreme. But the difference is the farmer is, in fact, doing some type of action. He's growing wheat. In this situation, nothing is happening. I'm not doing something. I'm not buying health insurance. And that's what Congress is trying to do. They're trying to actually create commerce, not trying to regulate commerce.
If the U.S. Supreme Court indeed takes this case, what's your prediction on the outcome?
Well, it will be close.
Another 5-4?
I think so. I think this is a 5-4 decision. As cliche as it sounds, it probably comes down to Kennedy.